Hey, fifth graders, it's me. It's Friday. A lot of you guys have taken the Swunk. I see some 100%s, which is excellent. I also see some grades that look scary, and I wanted to record this just to calm you down. There's a couple things that I want to remind you of. First of all, we don't really have grades in fifth grade. This isn't going to go on a report card, so just take a deep breath. Second is, this is my first time doing a Power School assessment, your first time taking one, at least for math class, and there are definitely glitches and things that I've learned from it. So what I will be doing is going through everybody's and just making some adjustments, meaning if you mostly got the question right and you were off by 1 cent, that's a rounding error that I would give you most of the points for, but the computer gives you nothing. So I'll be looking that over and then just adjusting your grades. The other thing for you to know is I think I've learned from this that we'll probably just be doing multiple choice from now on because the fill-ins are tough. At least this way you'll know and just select one of the answers rather than kind of filling it in out of thin air. So anyway, I just wanted to send a message for you just so everybody is, understanding that this is a work in progress. We're all learning. You guys are learning. I'm learning. Please don't panic. Nobody's going to fail this class. For those of you who did really well, you should be proud of yourselves. The final thing is, if you haven't taken the Swunk yet, you need to do that. So let's try to get that done. I'm going to keep it open until late Sunday night. So get that done this weekend. And again, if you have questions, just let me know, but have a wonderful weekend. Don't stress about school. I know you guys are trying and I'm proud of you for it. So good job, good work. We'll keep going. We're going to get through this. It's going to be okay. All right. See you guys soon.